At this stage, I'd love to just be able to see a waterfall front on, but it is getting dark and we do not want to be making that walk back in the dark. So we're gonna have to call this soon. But well, that's steep. Bye. Gracias. Good morning. Today we are headed for Juayua. We are walking to the bus station now. It's about 15 minutes away, and the bus is due to take an hour. Hola. Oh, Jesus. There we are. Hola, gracias. Right, this is the room, like walk-in wardrobe.
That was a bath.
And a bath. Nice. Absolutely huge bed. You could sleep 3 in that. And then... Wow, how the hell do you open this? Sarah, how do you open the balcony door? There we are. Little balcony with nice views of the mountains and the street and this person's garden. Have to say, very, very impressed with that hostel again. It's not even a hostel, it feels like a hotel. We are going to explore the town of, written on a sign here, Juayua. Juayua. I think that's how you say it. Hola. That's a nice view, isn't it?
Yeah. It's just really peaceful here.
Thanks for eating veggie, guys, for me.
No problem, girl.
Morning.
What's up, Gummy?
Sup? Today we are headed out to explore the Ruta de las Flores, which is basically a 40-kilometer stretch of road from this town to this town. There are about 5 towns on the route which are supposed to have lovely scenery, nice flowers, obviously the name, and it's also in the coffee making area of El Salvador, so I'm looking forward to trying some locally brewed coffee. Para dos. Gracias.
Pendulum of $5. That is separate.
Cool.
Yeah. Right, so para dos then.
Okay.
Gracias. We've just arrived at our first town called Apaneca, and we've come to the main tourist attraction here, which is the maze. So what are we doing?
So we're going to the maze. We'll time ourselves, and the quickest one wins, of course, but the loser will have to play the first round during the Super Bowl on Sunday, which will probably be Caye, you know, or any directions. Literally.
Whoa! Oh.
So we paid $5 thinking this would get us into the maze, but apparently it doesn't. We have to pay another $3. So Kylie's gonna talk to the guy and be like, why? $5 to get in to do what?
We were just wondering, they said we had to pay an extra $3 to get into the maze.
Yeah.
So this, what was this for?
The maze is $3.
Then why did I pay $5 for this? What is this ticket?
Is it just to get in?
That's it.
You have to pay $5 just to get in?
Yeah.
Is it possible just to do the maze? Like solamente maze and not pay $5?
No.
So $8 to do the maze, basically?
No, $3.
But you have to pay $5 as well?
Yeah.
So it's $8 Basically, if you want to do the maze.
The ticket is only for the restaurant and the maze, and that's it.
Then why can't we get into the maze with this ticket? We
Yeah.
have to pay more to get into the maze.
Do you want a return?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It didn't work out for us. We are leaving the park without the maze. They were going to charge us $8 to do it. We need to make this trip last, so principle, we're going to just walk away. Town number 2, Concepcion de Taco. Which place are we going to give out about the prices here?
Ain't no sunshine when she's gone. And I know.
Comes to El Salvador, has Mexican food.
And I know.
Heading up to a little viewpoint here to get a nice view of this very sleepy little town.
And I know.
I think it'd be fun. Are we gonna get in this or that? Yeah, if you're okay with it. So this random guy has picked us up again. I don't know, like, do we stand out or something?
We look very green.
Well, if we die together. Yeah. It absolutely reeks back here.
Es en Salvador, la capital. Distribuimos carne.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Alex.
Alex, gracias.
Muchos amigos. Ah, vinieron después.
Originally, the plan today was to go to a waterfall when we came back, because we came back in loads of time. But we learned off camera that the waterfall is closed. Apparently, the landowner was the only person not making money off the waterfall, so he decided to close it. We're gonna walk up towards it as far as we can get and maybe meet the landowner or just see what we can see from the border of his land, if that makes sense. This is definitely just the dumping ground. What do you think?
So beautiful.
This is waterfall number 1, I think. Oh my God, look at the state of this.
Woo! You turn me on like a light switch.
We've come across something here now. The waterfalls are kind of there, but we have some sort of fence here. At this stage, I'd love to just be able to see a waterfall front on, but it is getting dark and we do not want to be making that walk back in the dark. So we're gonna have to call this soon. But well, that's steep. We did it.
We did it. I will go for a swim, definitely.
Are you?
Yeah.
Well, we made it to some sort of waterfall. I just looked it up on the map there. It's got no name. It's just written down as waterfall. I have to say, it's fairly spectacular. It's a free waterfall. Nobody stopped us. Nobody told us to pay. It is a bit of a walk, a very hilly walk at that, but it's free. Is it nice? I'm just not really, he's just showing me his ass. I'm not really arsed getting wet for that walk back, to be honest, and the water's probably freezing, and you know me, I hate cold water. And I literally just fell in. Feet are wet now. We're on the way back now. It's about a 4K walk. I'm gonna leave the vlog there. Unless something crazy happens, I'll see you in the next one. So apparently you can rent surfboards for $10 for 24 hours. Thank you. lost the GoPro.